Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer engagement with Zendesk, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your customer engagement with Zendesk, start by creating an account. Visit the Zendesk website and select the option to sign up for a new account. Fill in the required information, such as your email address and password. Once your account is created, log in to the Zendesk dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and the various features available. Next, set up your help center to provide customers with self-service options. Go to the guide section and click on Create Your Help Center. Customize your help center by adding categories and articles that address common customer queries. Now, set up your ticketing system to manage incoming customer requests effectively. Navigate to the support section and configure your ticket settings. Decide on the priority levels for different types of inquiries. Integrate communication channels by connecting email, chat, and social media accounts. Visit the Channels section to link your preferred communication methods. Engage your customers by utilizing automated responses for common questions. Customize your triggers and responses in the admin section under Business Rules. Monitor customer engagement through the reporting tools provided by Zendesk. Access the Analytics section to track metrics like response time and customer satisfaction. Make adjustments to your strategies based on the insights gained from your reports. Encourage feedback from customers to continuously improve your services. Set up surveys and feedback forms after each customer interaction. Finally, ensure your team is trained on how to use Zendesk effectively. Conduct regular training sessions to keep everyone updated on best practices. By following these steps, you can protect and enhance your customer engagement using Zendesk effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.